Hello, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can create a database. How to create database. Now you can create database for your business, you can create a database for your school, you can create a personal database, you can create a database for just anything. Now I'll show you how to create a database like this. This is a database of students in a particular school. Here you have their first name, their last name, their phone number, their class, their fees, how much they pay, and those who have paid, and so on and so forth. So here you have the names. So you have names of the pupils, the last name, the first name, the last name, their phone number, and others. So I'll teach you how to create a database like this. So the first thing you need to do is if you have a laptop, you should have Microsoft Office installed on your laptop. If you don't have Microsoft Office installed on your laptop, you need to install Microsoft Office on your laptop. So after installing Microsoft Office on your laptop, just go to your programs, go to your menu on your laptop and check for Microsoft Office. Okay, here we have Microsoft Office, this particular one. So you click on it it will display the menu, and you look for Microsoft Office Access. You look for Microsoft Office Access. This is the particular one that you can use to create a database. So we'll click on it, and this is the database environment. Now these are templates that has been prepared for you, where you don't need to start from the scratch. You just build on this particular template. This is for business. You want to create a database of your assets, you want to create a database of your contacts, your events, issues, marketing projects, sales pipeline, and others. Tasks, you want to create a database base of your task. Now you can use this template. This for personal. This is not offline now. This education. You want to create a database of the faculty or the teachers in your school. Now this one is database of the student. But in this tutorial, I'm teaching you how to create from the scratch. So we are creating from the scratch. So what you need to do is you go to this particular where you have blank database, blank. So you click on it. When you click on it, come here and write the title of the database that you want to create. You can let's take for example, say my students. Let's say I want to create a database of students in a particular school. So after typing my student here, you click on create. Now when you click on create, okay, I already have a file alive, so I click here to override it. Alright, now this is the environment where you start creating your database. Now what you need to do now is to create a table. So the first thing you need to do is to you should have a kind of a template of what you want to do. Here I'm going to have last name. Now this particular one, you don't need to enter anything. This one, it enters automatically. These are numbers, serial numbers. It enters automatically as you enter your various as you're entering your data. This one starts to generate automatically the ID. All right, so here we have our first name. Here we have a class. Here we have gender. You want to know the gender. Here we have let's say date of birth. Let's say phone number. Or we say, let's say parents phone number. Parents phone parents phone number. Then what else should we have? Okay, it says school fees. Then okay, I think let's go with this. All right, now you have created the various heading of the table. Now this is the next thing you do is to make sure that you save. I'll click on control control S, that is to save, or you simply just come here, click on this, and you save as. Now we are saving this table. You can save the table as maybe the name of your school is ABC student database. Alright, then we click OK. Alright, now you see that your table has been named ABC student database. So after this, you see that we start entering the names of the students. Let's say the surname of this first student, let's say it's Obi. Then we'll go enter the first name, or maybe this student is in primary 1, or let's say it's in basic 1. Maybe this student is in May. Date of birth. Now from here, this first name, if you go to this particular place, the data type is test, and you can change it here, but actually the data type is test, so automatically it gives you test. But for this one, for this date of birth, it may not give you the particular data type, so you can come here and change it to date. So this data type is date, so it can automatically give you a calendar. So you can click on this. Maybe this student was born in, maybe this student was born on September 3rd, 2024, or let's say, now we can change it here. You just click on this and see your cursor. You can change it to maybe this student was born on September 3rd, 2012. Okay, see that. Then this is sorry, this is our days not be here. So we enter the parents phone number. Maybe this is the parents phone number. Then school fees, it now indicates if he has paid school fees or not. You can say paid. Then you will go to the next column, to the next row, and enter the student's name. Now guys, so we have entered. Now when you are done entering the database, the information on the database, all you need to do is make sure you save. You go here and save everything. Now you see that you have entered the database. Now if you want to search, you have maybe a lot of information on this particular table. You want to search for a particular person, you can go to the search here and click on it. You see your cursor there and type on the name of the person you are looking for. You can search by name. That's why I say for Frank. You see that it will highlight Frank. Then you can see all the information. Now you can search by date of birth. You can search by date of birth. You can search by class, basic 2. You see that it highlights basic 2. You can search by name, by class, by gender. So you can search by gender. You want to search for a particular gender, that it will highlight all the gender on this table. So guys, this is how you can create a database. Instead of writing all the student information on the book, you can create a database with Microsoft Access and just just put all the information on that particular database. So guys, I hope you learned from this. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see. And also please share this video and also like my video.